In this video, I want you to be able to identify some habits that could be causing destruction to your teeth and costing you money. Stick around to the end of the video. I will share with you my number one habit that's costing your kids destruction to their teeth, and I'll give you a hint, it is not candy. Okay, so for number 6, and I'm referring to jewelry, okay? I'm not really referring to gold teeth or bedazzled teeth, although they are nice, they're not that destructive to your teeth. What I'm referring to is this, okay? So lip piercing, tongue piercing, cheek piercing, all of those things cause movement in our mouth and they end up hitting your teeth. They also cause trauma to your gums. So if you can avoid them, take them out as much as possible. Number 5, brushing too hard with the wrong tools. So in this example, you can see recession around the teeth and gums, okay? In some cases, my patients will come in and ask why this is happening. Well, the problem is some patients think that brushing too hard and with a harder toothbrush bristle is a good thing. Please don't use a wire toothbrush to brush your teeth. Stick with something soft. And if you can, get an electric toothbrush that has a pressure sensitivity on it. So when you're brushing too hard, it will stop. This is one good way to avoid brushing too hard with the wrong tools. Number 4, teeth are not tools. For you men out there, yes, we use our teeth as tools. What I will recommend is please do not use your teeth as wire strippers. Otherwise, you will look like this guy. So in the past, I was an electrician's apprentice and I did used to use my teeth as wire strippers, and I have chipped a couple of teeth myself in the past. There is a specific tool for that, and they're actually called wire strippers, and that's what they're there for. Do not use your teeth for stripping wires. And the other one is do not use your teeth for opening up bottles or cans, okay? This is one surefire way of getting to the dentist with a broken tooth. And if you split that tooth the wrong way, we are taking that out. Okay, number 3, diet and food choices. Okay, so the first part of this is acidic foods and drinks, okay? There's certain foods like oranges, sodas, lemon, lime, coffee, and so many more that are very acidic for your teeth. They do cause demineralization of your teeth, and they do cause your teeth to get softer, okay? So if you can, wash it down with some water, but do be careful, some water out there are acidic, okay? So keep that in mind. Okay, the next part is sugar and candy, okay? If you don't know what this photo is, this is called a jawbreaker, okay? I find it ironic that they use this because this thing will break some teeth, especially if you get frustrated and you end up trying to bite through that in some Jolly Ranchers as well, okay? Next ones are nuts, okay? I have a lot of patients that come in that love nuts. Stick with softer ones like cashews, but if you're eating like grape nuts and almonds, please avoid them. In fact, grape nuts, I don't know why, but they put them in cereal and they advertise them to older adults who typically have more worn or broken down teeth, and they're usually the ones breaking their teeth on these things. Stay away from that. The last part of this is ice, okay? In this example, we have the Sonic Ice. Yes, it is soft. It's not your hard ones that you get out of your freezer, but over time, chewing on ice will break some teeth, okay? I've seen it over and over again. It is a hard habit to break through. I have done it myself in the past, but if you can avoid it or get away from that, your teeth will thank you for it. Okay, for our last 2 most damaging and destructive habits that you could be doing. But before I go into that, if you find this content useful, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends. Number 2, poor oral hygiene. Unfortunately, there is no way around it, okay? You have to brush, you have to floss, and we'd also recommend water flossing, okay? When you leave all these things on your teeth, eventually your teeth will get demineralized, they will get soft, they will get cavities, and they will end up with holes. And all it takes is one simple thing that could break that tooth and cause you a lot of damage, and it is very expensive to replace teeth. Okay, so please brush and floss. Okay, we're down to our number one habit that is the most destructive to your teeth by my personal experience. Okay, and that is bruxing or grinding, and I will also add on top of that clenching. Okay, these actions, by smashing your teeth together and grinding them together, they will wear your teeth over time. Okay, I've seen patients split their teeth in half because they're grinding or clenching or a combination of both. The best thing you can do for this is either a bite guard. You can get an over-the-counter to start, but if you chew through that thing, get a professional bite guard made. We would rather you destroy that piece of plastic than your teeth. Okay, it is extremely expensive to replace teeth. We would rather you keep your teeth. You can replace that piece of plastic over time. Okay, for the bonus feature, I will share with you my number one habit that is causing destruction to your kids' teeth. And it's not chewing candy or eating candy. It is nighttime bottles and juice. Okay, the problem is when they drink this, it sits on their teeth. Okay, and if that is allowed to sit overnight, it will become very destructive to your children's teeth over time. Okay, you made it to the end of the video, and I hope you've learned a few things about certain habits that could be causing destruction to your teeth and your kids. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment below. I'd love to answer those questions for you. Until next time, take care.